Davcor Group is a world-leading design, manufacturer and wholesale distribution company, specialising in locks, associated hardware and access control systems. Founded in 1988, Davcor now employs over 70 staff, has established offices and warehouses in Australia, Taiwan and a joint venture in New Zealand, and has developed over 50 product patents. Being at the forefront of technology and innovation, Davcor has invested in 5 CNC machines, producing specialist componentry for clients, production of groundbreaking products such as the stainless steel Carbine letterbox lock and the Australian-made Carbine dual entry and dual shackle padlocks, and also prototyping various products for testing prior to full production. Priding itself on its great brands and products, such as Carbine and Lenlok, Davcor ensures rigorous performance and reliability testing is conducted by the 11 design and industrial engineers in its R&D department before any product is sold. These tests vary based on product application, but typically include salt spray testing, CMM testing, pull testing, hardness testing, cycle testing using custom jigs, and material identification tests using X-ray fluorescence. Being a contrarian company, Davcor extends this methodology to how partner stock is fulfilled by utilising one of Australia's most state-of-the-art robotic warehouses. Davcor has invested in this automatic warehouse system that consists of 14,000 totes, 14 robots and 4 carousel ports. Each robot stages products ready for picking by integrating with Davcor's own CRM and ERP software, thanks to 7 full-time Australian-based software developers, typically allowing for same-day dispatch on most orders.